In this video, we're going to connect MainWP to an AI tool and use natural language to work with a MainWP network in a practical way. For this walkthrough, we'll use MainWP MCP with Codex as the example, and then go through a simple workflow to show what that looks like in day-to-day work. MainWP MCP will be running on your local machine, and for that, you need Node.js version 20.19 or higher. That MCP server will then talk to your MainWP dashboard. Your dashboard can be hosted locally or on a web host, but it does need to be running MainWP Dashboard version 6.0 or higher. For this walkthrough, we'll use the simpler setup method and run MainWP MCP with npx. That way, we don't need to clone the repository or build anything manually. The GitHub page includes setup instructions for several AI tools, but in this video, we'll use Codex as the example. Now, when it comes time to configure Codex, we also need an application password, because that's how MCP authenticates with the MainWP dashboard. You can create an application password in regular WordPress user settings, but for this video we'll do it from MainWP Dashboard. This page mirrors the same WordPress functionality, so it's a convenient place to handle it directly from MainWP. WordPress will only show the password once, so make sure to copy it right away because we'll need it in the next step. Now let's move over to the MCP configuration. Codex uses a config TOML file, and the MainWP MCP entry is very small. Let's first open the TOML file in our editor of choice. We'll copy the example from GitHub, and then fill in the values that matter. The dashboard URL, the WordPress username, and the application password we just created. Because this demo uses a locally hosted dashboard over plain HTTP, we'll also allow HTTP for this connection. Once the config is in place, we just start Codex. Codex will launch the MainWP MCP server for us in the background, so we do not need to run the server manually. From there, we can move on to the useful part. Let's say we have an important client in MainWP, and we want to quickly check whether any of that client's child sites need attention. We'll start by listing our clients. Once we see the client we care about in the results, we can immediately continue from there and ask whether that client's child sites have any available updates. That gives us a focused answer right away. Instead of manually opening the client, filtering sites, and checking update screens, we can ask the question directly and get a summary of what needs attention. From there, we can dig in a little further and ask which plugins are out of date on that client's sites. MCP will return the list, and now we can make a decision based on that result. Let's say one of those plugins is the one we want to deal with first. We can then tell it to update Classic Editor on all of that client's child sites. After that, we can keep going and ask whether there are any theme updates on those same sites. If there are, MCP can list those too, and then we can be more selective. For example, instead of updating everything, we can tell it to update only a specific theme on one specific site. That's the part that makes this useful. We're not jumping back and forth between different sections of the dashboard, trying to piece the context together again. We're staying in the same context, changing the scope as we go, and taking action when it makes sense. And if you're wondering about safety, MainWP MCP includes a confirmation safeguard for destructive operations. It shows a preview first and waits for your approval before it actually carries them out. You can also keep the entire MCP in a read-only setup so the AI can check clients, sites, and updates without making changes. You can also use an updates-only profile or block deletion tools entirely if you want a stricter setup. So that's the basic idea behind MainWP MCP. You still have the same MainWP data and the same MainWP operations you already rely on, but now you have another way to get to them. Instead of digging through menus first, you can start with a question, refine it as you go, and act when you're ready. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more updates from MainWP.